Good morning, 8th standard. Welcome you all once again in the political science period. Okay, lesson number 1. Sorry, not political science, civics. Okay, civics. Welcome you all once again in civics period. Lesson number 1, introduction to the parliamentary system. Right. Yesterday, we had seen the summary as well as extra fill in the blanks and name of the following name of the institution function, that is legislature, executive and judiciary. Legislature function is to make laws, and function of executive is to implement laws, frame policies, and the function of judiciary is to provide justice. Okay, today we have to write extra question answers. Our first question is write short notes. We have to write only one short note here. Okay, let's start. Write short. Characteristics of parliamentary system in India. Characteristics of parliamentary system of India. Okay. Point number 1. The Parliament of India is composed of the Parliament of India it's composed of the President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Fixed number of members of the Parliament. Point number B. Fixed number of members of the Parliament. Fixed number of members of the Parliament are directly elected by the people. Are directly elected by the people. C. All political parties contest elections which are held at regular intervals. which are held at regular intervals. D. The party having majority in Lok Sabha, the party having majority in Lok Sabha or a coalition government comes into power. E. The leader of the majority party becomes the Prime Minister and he selects candidates to form the Council of Ministers. Okay. Characteristics of parliamentary system of India. All these are the characteristics. Note down this in your copy. Note down this in your copy. Right. Now, next question. Now, next question. Why is the role of opposition parties important? Now, question answer. Here we have to write only one question, that is open-ended question. Open-ended question. Why is the role of opposition parties important? Why is the role of the role of opposition party is important? Answer. The opposition parties participate in the discussion and point out the discussion and point out the shortcomings in the policies of the government. Number 2, the opposition parties control the executive through their arguments based on deep study of the topics discussed in Parliament. Next point, the executive cannot behave in an irresponsible manner due to the pressure of the opposition parties. And number 4, the alertness of the opposition parties help in avoiding wrong practices like corruption, ignoring public welfare, passing party laws, etc. See here, students, why is the role of opposition parties important? The opposition parties participate in the discussions and point out the shortcomings in the policies of the government. The opposition parties control the executive through their arguments based on deep study of the topics discussed in parliament. The executive cannot behave in an irresponsible manner due to the pressure of the opposition parties. Number 4, the alertness of the opposition parties help in avoiding wrong practices like corruption. Corruption in a large, then ignoring public welfare, लोगों के हित में काम न करना, उसको अवॉइड करना, एंड पासिंग फॉल्टी लॉज, और कोई भी गलत लॉ वो पास नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि उनके ऊपर जो रूलिंग पार्टी है उनके ऊपर किसका चेक रहता है, अपोजिशन पार्टी। ठीक है, ओके फाइन, नाउ हियर our period is over. Okay, bye bye, take care. Note down answers in your civics copy. Okay, bye.